Automation Direct carries the Endress+Hauser Micropilot Series Pulsed Radar Liquid Level Sensor. This radar level sensor is a downward-facing non-contact liquid level sensor that emits electromagnetic pulses and determines the level based on the time it takes for the pulses to be reflected back to the sensor. Radar sensors are more accurate than ultrasonic sensors and are less affected by environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, and dust. The Micropilot level sensor is configurable via Bluetooth interface using the SmartBlue mobile app. The app converts measured values and can display and record process envelope curves, which provide valuable diagnostic feedback for signal strength, range resolution, and interference. These Endress+Hauser Micropilot FMR10 series pulsed radar level sensors offer these agency approvals and come with a 1-year warranty. Learn more by visiting AutomationDirect.com/radar-level-sensors. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.